the interstate, and then fucking wham, I'm sideways on the interstate, and you're calling.
No.
Yeah, I'm good. I caught a groove, and it pushed me into a fucking, like, where nobody's riding, so it's piled up. And I just started, like, going to the right. So I was like, fuck, and then immediately, like, went back to the left and hit the gas pedal and started straightening myself back up. Oh, what's up here? Got somebody stopped on the interstate for what? Oh, no, he's barely fucking moving. Idiot.
Filed into stuff.
Huh?
How you get filed into?
Yeah, there's cars fucking coming up behind them. But I was just stopped at Roseline Wawa and grabbed me a sandwich. I was fucking starving. And sat there and ate it, unpaused myself. The first order that come through was 2 orders for Chinellos down here in Bird Neck for $22 or $23, something like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so grab that fucker real quick. I'm hoping they're still open.
What is it?
Chinellos. Yeah.
That's good fun.
Yeah, it's Friday though. Or well, Saturday now, but with the snow, who knows? I mean, if they're anything like cows, they've been smart and stayed open.
Well, it's not like you can go anywhere. I feel like somebody that's not like
Yeah, not really. You can drive all, just fucking take your time. The roads are bad, but they're only unsafe if you're unsafe. Like me, I gotta get out there and fucking loosen up.
I don't know what to do, so I ain't gonna pretend.
Do what?
I don't know what to do. Start planning stuff, right?
Well, you point the steering wheel in the direction that you want to go. And in our case, you need to give it a little gas because it's all-wheel drive. And you need the front wheels to actually pull in that direction. So if you're sliding right, you need to steer slightly left. And if it doesn't start to fix yourself, give it a little bit of gas. And it will slightly fix itself. If not, ride it out. Steer a little harder and ride it out. Sooner or later, you'll either hit the wall or straighten up, one or the other. I ain't hit no walls yet, so I think I'm doing pretty good.
Good job.
What, some dasher, I can't remember her name, she doesn't hit a wall. They posted it on the group.
I know, I could have talked to him.
What?
Sorry.
You're breaking up, I can't hear you.
Hold on. I had a trash can with Corolla that had full beer cans and bottles. Sean out there with the sled,